So that's just the real quick zoom stat scatter plot. Everybody getting moderate success and getting this up on their moderate success? You can totally mess with it at this point. I like messing with them. I don't like, zoom stat's great because it gets you your data right there. But much like Excel, Excel does the exact same thing in my opinion. It puts up what it thinks is the best. And I usually agree with the TI approximately, I'd say, 80% of the way in that picture. Although I like to also mess with it to make it a little more logical. One thing it doesn't do very well is label what's going on. So for example, you don't know, by looking at this, that this is time right here, and this is distance right here. And that's why you have to know your data when it's sitting in front of you. It's important to know that. So I am going to go in here. I'm going to press the window button. Window is up on the top row next to zoom, to the left of zoom. At this point, you can mess with the window any way you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mimic that Excel window that I had. I'm going to make that X-min 0, not whatever it was. Because, I mean, I started at 0 time. When I said go, it was time 0. And I'm going to make that X-max, I mean, why not just make it 11? It doesn't seem to have 11.28, that seems silly. I mean, it's mathematics. It takes the data and has a certain range based on the data. I like the X scale of 1, I can live with that. Maybe Y min, maybe it at 0 too, yes, I'm thinking. And then Y max, say that again? Can I go 225 right on? I'm going to tell you why in a second. I love what you said with 220. He's going a little bit above 200, which is the maximum distance I covered. So I'm going to go 225, and the only reason I'm doing that, Randall, is because I'm going to make the Y scale 25. And that'll actually show a tick up there at 225. It's not crucial that you do that. 220 works is fine. But did you see how Y scale was set to 1? When it was set to 1, you may not have noticed this. When see that vertical axis is like one big solid strip? That's annoying to me. I want to see tick marks at the increments. So that's why you change the Y scale and the X scale for that. And now you see a tick mark, 25. So there's 0, 25, 50, 75, 100, and so forth and so on. So there's your 225 up there at the top, Randall. Fair enough? Ish. And notice that each one of those data points corresponds to one of those multiples of 25. 25, 50, 75, and so forth and so on and so forth. Now, also notice the first data point, 0, 0, is hidden down there. It's kind of hard to see now. He's right there tucked in the corner. If you press the trace button right now, the trace button, he'll show up right there. He's now on him, right there, 0, 0. But now if you scooch to the right, use your right arrow key, you can jump to the other points as well. So there they are. And there's you guys at 200 feet. Your average time is 10.262. So all I'm doing is scooching. Scooching is, I call that moving left and right. Scooching. Jumping is up and down. Nothing to jump to yet because you can't jump or anything. Apparently scooch has a PG definition too. Somebody used UrbanDictionary.com and Googled scooching. And apparently it's got a little PG-13 definition as well. It's not what I'm talking about. I'm moving up there in the grass. Okay. So anyway, those are your data points. Yay! Yay! Could we fit a linear regression to them? Could we fit a best fit line to them? Of course you could. Do it. Do it right now. Linear best fit line. Best fit line.